Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. No tutorials today. I've been taking a bit of a break to the tutorials. They'll be back, but I've been taking a break to work on some of my own projects. Like I've got this new game that I'm working on right now. I'm just trying to learn some new skills so I can make some more interesting tutorials. And what I wanted to show you today was a little bit of what I've been working on here in this game. And what I'd like to invite you to do if you're interested is download this game and give it a test for me and let me know what you think about it. It's 100% free. I'll put a link in the description. I just want to get some feedback before I continue to develop it. It's got a tutorial map at the moment and just a level 1 quick map that I've knocked up. So basically what the game is, it's a racing game. You start at the start like this with your hover car. You get a timer down in the bottom right of the screen and you race through the map, jumping over things, fast falling like that. You can glide around, you can turn around quickly like that and drift. And you've also got a laser. This is like the main feature of the game, is that you race through the map. You shoot things with your laser, like there are balloons that appear in the air and there are enemies and things, and you need to shoot them while you're racing and multitask so you can get through the map as quick as you can. But I won't show you too much of that because I'll leave it up to you if you want to test it and give it a go. But like I said, it's 100% free. Give it a go. Let me know what you think. If you film your own videos and things like that, film yourself playing and send it to me. Like, I'd be very interested to see. It'd help me out a lot to see how people are playing it, and I hope you like it. It's a lot of fun, honestly. Like I have a lot of fun playing it. So yeah, that's that. It's a little bit of something I've been working on, and if there's anything in it that you like, particularly from a game development perspective, let me know as well, and I can knock up a tutorial for you if you want. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. With that said, though, there are a couple of other games that I've got, all 100% free. Running Robot Man, which is the very first game I ever made. It's a mess of all different kinds of mechanics and stuff, but basically it's a third-person shooter. It's got a wave-based mode with all kinds of different enemies that jump around and fly in the air, like you can see this guy up here. It's a pretty cool game. I like it. It's a lot of fun to play. And I've also got this Ponder game, which is a rotating 3D puzzle game, which will hurt your head a bit. It definitely hurt my head trying to make it. But it's pretty fun as well. And then there's this Redline, which is the racing laser combat game. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you play them. I'd really be interested in your thoughts and opinions, because especially with this new Redline game, I'd like to take your feedback and use it to guide the development of the game. It's good to get different perspectives when you're building things like this, to see how people are playing it and what they like and what they enjoy and etc. So that's it, guys. I'll be back with some more tutorials soon. This is just a cheeky update of what I've been up to. That's all. If you have any questions, let me know, but I hope you dig it, guys. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.